Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video tutorial we'll discuss about various DevOps tools and their usages, and we'll discuss about which tool you should learn to build your career on DevOps. Also we'll discuss about the salaries being offered by the various companies to a DevOps engineer. In the current IT market, these are the tools which are in high demand. So let's discuss more details about these tools. Let's discuss more about the tools and technologies. The Git tool. So Git is being used for version control system, and it is used to track your changes. That is, whatever changes will be done by a developer, change any code or write any new codes, he can update into repository so that the versions can be maintained. So it is a distributed code repository. Next comes GitHub and GitLab. So GitHub and GitLab are source code management system used as remote repository. So it provides good collaboration. So when we talk about remote repository, that means whenever we finishes our work in the local repository, we store our code into a remote repository from where the other tools can pick up the code and do the next step, like your building or integrating, and then deployment that can be done. So next comes Jenkins. So Jenkins is a very powerful CI/CD automation build and integration tool. So it is used for continuous integration and continuous delivery. So next comes your Ansible. Ansible is a configuration management and continuous deployment tool. You can use this configuration management tool to do all your configuration changes into your server. So before any deployment, you should make sure your environment is up to date. That means the prerequisites or any softwares is required your application to run. Before your deployment, you can do the configuration setups using this Ansible, and you can use this Ansible playbooks to deploy your codes into production. So next comes Docker. Docker is actually containerization platform. It create, deploy and run application using container. So you can containerize your application. It is in high demand in the market, current IT market. So it enables you to separate your applications from your infrastructure, so you can deliver software very quickly. So next comes Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a container orchestration system automating deployment, scaling, and management containerized applications. So it helps you to orchestrate your containers, and it helps you to manage your cluster, manage your nodes, manage your all application, whatever hosted into the containerized platform. So it also enables you to make your applications put in microservices. So next is Terraform. So Terraform is infrastructure as code. You can do infrastructure automations using Terraform. So you can do the changings and provisioning infrastructure automations through this writing the Terraform script. It's very powerful, so you don't have to log in any console or anything to procure or provision any system or any environment. So you can just use this Terraform script to automate your task, so that you can, whenever you want a system or resource to provision based on your client requirement or client demand, you can simply just come and execute the script. It will create an infrastructure for you. So the next are the monitoring tools. So in the market there are various monitoring tools, but we'll discuss something about the Prometheus and the ELK stack. So the Prometheus is a very powerful tool being used for Kubernetes monitoring and cluster monitoring. Then so you can monitor all the servers and data and the metrics through the Prometheus. The similar, the ELK stack is also very powerful, and many companies are using this ELK stack monitoring. So ELK stands for Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. There are three tools being integrated into one stack, and that's very powerful tool to monitor. So next, let's discuss about the cloud technologies. And here in this market, we'll see there are various cloud service providers provides various resources, various services to the market. That then the number one we have actually AWS, which Amazon Web Service. It has more than thousands of services being provided in the market, so you can choose whatever the service you want. You can get into AWS and get that service and put into your work. Similarly, Azure also, Microsoft Azure also provides a very good service. Again, GCP, Google Cloud Provider. So these are the service provider in the market, and there are many other service providers. Not only these three, there are more than 100 service providers. So you can choose whatever service you like more, and whoever offers very good and reasonable price for your infrastructure. When we think about automation, we'll think about the scripting languages. So here are the most used two scripting languages in the market, that is shell scripting, bash shell scripting, and the Python scripting. So these are the these are the two scriptings which are in demand. Also there are many other scripting languages, but most of the companies, they prefer the shell scripting and the Python. So the currently Python programming language is in good demand due to the increasing demand on AI and machine learning, that artificial and intelligence and machine learning and robotic automations. Let's discuss about salary being offered in the current market. Companies offer around 30 lakhs per annum to a 4 plus years of experienced DevOps engineer having total 11 plus years of experience. Let's see some openings. Here is an opening for DevOps engineer. You can see here senior system engineer or AWS DevOps. So here you can see they're offering around 16 lakhs to 30 lakhs per annum for 18 to 13 years of experience. Also there is another opening you can see here. Here also they are offering same for solution architect for 8 to 11 years of experience. They're giving 16 lakhs to 30 lakhs per annum. Again, it depends on your interview performance. So companies even offer more than that based on your performance. So you have to choose your career wisely. If you have any doubt or any questions, please do comment me in the comment section below. I'll try to answer your questions. Thank you. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. You'll get notified when I add more videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you.